One of the youngest female South American sea lion we have here, and her name is none other than Jenny,
Maguniti, Mama.
together with trainer Ivan.
Mama.
Now guys, let's continue. So folks, what do you think is the reason why sea lions are called fin or feathered foot and marine mammals? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Hey ladies, do you have feathers? No, well it's definitely because of their front flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wings. See those? The term pinnipeds may also be translated as wing-footed, since the flippers do look somewhat like wings. And in fact, they appear to be flying underwater as they swim from place to place, right ladies? Yep, that's right, and they are often mistaken as seals because they look very much alike. But one obvious difference between a seal and a sea lion is the fact that they have bigger front flippers. And you can also turn the back flippers. Where's the back flippers, ladies? There it is, something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright while on land.